Okuhayahaya noku kutebekanisiibwa aba Consortium for Affordable Medical Technologies ningajete Camtech Uganda abali hansi ya masti kandi abahwerira beje okutungura ebyokuhangahangaho mu itendekyereri.
When you are living 60 years, 70 years in this world, but you have nothing to show, it's a challenge. Does it mean you are relevant or irrelevant? Are you a good for a liability or an asset to the community?
We have had and built the capacity of what I call amazing innovators. We really had trailblazers in the innovation ecosystem.
If you study the history of innovation, most smart scientists had access to resources. They had access to prototyping materials. They had access to things to use.
Ajori ntwina okusima omweji kandi omushaha akozera akarega ko kuhwera abakazi okumanya oburwire bwa kansa y'omumabere atugambire Chamuka akarega aka.
At Mbarara University as a medical student, we usually go to placements, and this time round I was having my placement in a village hospital down there in my 4th year, where I encountered a lady that was 27 years old and had a tumor in her breast, which we call breast cancer. She didn't know what to do. She was stranded and very hopeless.
Supportingire innovators bingi. Supporting innovators ahari a prototype, ahari a commercial level, hine products ezitwine omu mahanga gandi omu hospitals, they are already in use.
Professor Pauline Byachikachibwika, Vice Chancellor wa Master hejera beji okwehara kumara emishomo yabo batine mwuga gono ogubegire.
Very important for us to acquire a skill. I keep telling my students, do not go away without a skill that you can translate into money.
Bimwe habahangahangireho harimo akoma ko kutambira berere indwara ya chenjo hamwe no kuhangahangaho kundi. Abwa TV WestNehinda Adolf Erika.